Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Fidelity stock screener. All right, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity stock screener, this video is for you. It's gonna be a really quick one. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can log in on the online website, or you can choose to log in through the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on research, and then you're going to select stock screener. Now here you're going to set the screening criteria. It could be by screen by industry, by market cap, or whatever else you want to set as the criteria. And once that's set up, you just want to run the screen and view its results. Now you can also refine the results using additional criteria to make it more streamlined. And once that's done, you can save this screen for future use. And you can also use the screen results to make well-informed investment decisions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity stock screener. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in